Welcome back. Let's determine the infinite limit for this function as x approaches to 1. Already. So the solution for this kind of problem is let's find the limit for this function from both sides, from the left and right side. So this is, let's find the limit for this function as x approaches to 1 from the right hand side, means numbers greater than 1 but not equal to 1, as x is getting closer to 1 from the right hand side, and limit for this function as x is approaching to 1 from the left hand side, means the numbers less than 1 is equal to. Um, Again, I mean, there's two ways, right? You can already, just looking at this, you can already tell the limit for this function is going to be positive or negative infinite. As numbers is, let's just do this. Let's just plug in some numbers. Okay. Let's look at this first. As x is bigger than 1, for example, 1, 1, 1, getting closer to 1, or for this, as x is less than 1, but getting closer to 1, or for 0 0.9, 0 0.99, getting really close to 1. And as we already done before, just plug in some numbers now. So 2 minus 1.1 divided by 1.1 minus 1 square is equal to 90. And as you're getting close, 1.01, it's getting bigger, 9900. And as you're getting slightly more close to 1, on the right hand side, this is equal to 999,000. So as x approaching from the right hand side, the limit for this function seems to be positive infinity. Sorry, I have this habit of writing positive, I mean, or it's the same thing, right, as infinity. And now let's look at this function as x is approaching from the left hand side, getting closest to 1. Let's start with 0 0.9. This is equal to 110, and getting more close. Getting more bigger, and getting more close from the left hand side to 1. It's getting bigger as well. As you can tell, this is also end up into positive infinity, and as we are seeing, the numbers are getting bigger and bigger. As we're getting close to 1 from the left hand side, means numbers less than 1 And the same scenario here, as we're getting close to 1 from the right hand side, numbers little bit slightly greater than 1, the limit seems to be positive as well. These positive big numbers. This entails the limit for this function as x approaches to 1 is equal to infinity as well, because left hand side is equal to right hand side. And if you need to write an explanation, you can write it down as, since left hand side is equal to right hand side, the limit x approaches to 1, 2 minus x over x minus 1 to the square is equal to infinity as well. I hope this helps. Thank you.